Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Wyze Scale Ultra BodyScan, featuring full body composition analysis, precise heart rate and BMI tracking, and a sleek tempered glass design. With multi-user support, high-accuracy sensors, and seamless app connectivity, it's a smart scale designed to give you detailed insights and help you stay on top of your health journey. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Scale Ultra BodyScan, 1.5-volt AAA batteries, quick start guide, technical specifications. Let's break down the Wyze Scale Ultra BodyScan specs. It features a modern, minimal design built with a durable plastic body, a silicone base for added stability, and an ITO-coated glass surface, available in both black and white. On top, there's a large 4.3-inch TFT-LCD that shows clear readings in either pounds or kilograms, along with key health insights directly on the scale. The scale supports a wide weight range from 11 to 400 pounds, making it suitable for most users. Beyond basic weight tracking, it delivers detailed body composition measurements, including body fat percentage, lean body mass, BMI, muscle mass and muscle mass percentage, visceral fat, basal metabolic rate, bone mass, metabolic age, protein levels, and body water percentage, all viewable right on the display. When paired with the companion app, it adds heart rate tracking and stores complete body composition data for long-term progress monitoring. Connectivity is handled through both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, with support for Android and iOS devices, plus seamless syncing with Apple Health, Health Connect, and Fitbit. Power comes from 4 AAA batteries included in the box, and the scale is designed for everyday indoor use. Physically, it measures 13.39 by 15.43 by 2.13 inches and weighs just under 6 pounds, giving it a solid premium feel. It operates reliably in temperatures from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius with humidity levels between 20 and 85%, making it well-suited for regular home health tracking. Product features. The Wyze Scale Ultra BodyScan goes far beyond basic weight measurement by delivering a complete breakdown of your body composition. It tracks metrics such as body fat percentage, lean body mass, and muscle mass percentage, BMI, visceral fat, basal metabolic rate, bone mass, metabolic age, protein levels, and body water percentage. These readings help you understand changes in your body over time rather than relying on weight alone. With automatic user recognition, the Wyze Scale Ultra can identify multiple users and keep their data separate. This makes it perfect for households where everyone wants to track their progress individually. The scale also makes it easy to share your metrics with family or friends, helping you stay motivated together. The scale connects effortlessly with the Wyze app, as well as popular platforms like Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit. This allows you to sync your health data across devices, track trends over time, and analyze your progress in a convenient, centralized way. Built with a sturdy plastic body, silicone base, and ITO-coated glass surface, the Wyze Scale Ultra feels premium while remaining durable. It's powered by 4 AAA batteries, providing reliable performance without frequent recharging. Designed to handle everyday use, it offers both stability and longevity. App connection. Download the Wyze app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. This account will manage all your Wyze devices and notifications. Insert the included AAA batteries into the Wyze scale and place it on a flat, hard surface for accurate readings. In the Wyze app, tap the plus icon, select Add Device, and choose Wyze Scale from the list. The app will search for the scale using Bluetooth and guide you through the pairing process step by step. Once the app prompts you, step onto the scale to activate it and send your first measurement. Enter basic profile details like height and birth year, so the scale can calculate accurate health metrics. Finally, connect the scale to your Wi-Fi network to enable automatic syncing, multi-user recognition, and cloud-based data tracking. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface and step on with clean, dry feet. Gently lift the built-in retractable handle from the base. Hold it firmly with both hands, arms slightly extended in front of you at about chest level. Stand upright and remain still while the scan completes. The handle contains additional electrodes that send a safe, low-level electrical signal through your upper body. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Wyze Scale Ultra BodyScan features a plastic body with a silicone base and an ITO-coated glass platform, plus a built-in retractable handle for full body scanning. The Hume scale includes a sleek tempered glass surface and a minimal design for a modern, sturdy look, combined with a built-in handle for upper body bioelectrical readings. The Wyze Scale Ultra BodyScan includes a large 4.3-inch TFT LCD display that shows weight and key body composition metrics directly on the scale. The Hume scale also offers an on-scale display with body composition insights, but places stronger emphasis on app-based visual breakdowns and metabolic health tracking within its companion app. Wyze supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 for automatic syncing, along with compatibility for Apple Health, Health Connect, and Fitbit. The Hume scale connects via Bluetooth and focuses heavily on metabolic analysis, body composition trends, and personalized health insights within its dedicated app ecosystem. The Wyze Scale Ultra BodyScan works with Android 10.0 Plus and iOS 16.0 Plus devices and syncs with major fitness platforms, offering flexible compatibility for most users. It runs on 4 AAA batteries, providing long-lasting use between changes, depending on frequency of use and syncing. The Hume scale also supports Android and iOS devices with Bluetooth connectivity and uses replaceable batteries designed for energy efficiency, with actual battery life varying based on how often you step on the scale and sync data. Pros and cons. On the plus side, it delivers full body composition tracking, including body fat, muscle mass, BMI, visceral fat, and more, with a built-in handle for upper body scanning. The large 4.3-inch display shows metrics clearly, and it supports multiple users with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. It syncs seamlessly with the popular fitness platforms like Apple Health, Health Connect, and Fitbit. Other benefits include high-accuracy sensors, a wide weight range, heart rate tracking, durable materials, a lightweight modern design, and detailed long-term trends. On the downside, it requires 4 AAA batteries, and the retractable handle can be stiff initially. Some metrics depend on the app, and the display may be hard to read in low light. The scale isn't waterproof, has limited color options, and extreme temperatures can affect accuracy. Additionally, there are no audio alerts or automatic notifications. Overall, it's a reliable, detailed smart scale built for everyday home use. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.